Next exercise is for lifted brows and it has Botox effect on the brows. It's so simple and you can do this exercise everywhere and every time that you want. Do this massage slowly for 20 seconds on each brow. Next exercise is for frown lines. First we start by warming up this area, applying light pressure between the brows for 20 seconds. Then we go to the ironing massage. With knuckles, apply pressure over the brows and move outwards to the temples. Move so slowly and focus on the muscles here. Exercise number 14 is for forehead wrinkles. Again, start by warming up this area, massaging it for 30 seconds. Then gently lift the forehead with the tip of your fingers and do this for 10 times. And lastly, we finish it by massaging the scalp for 10 seconds or more.